The Group Hug Window Solar Charger is a designer solar panel made for people who want to be sustainable but don't know where to start. Here's how it works. You hang it in a sunny window, and the sunlight charges up the battery built into the frame. Then, plug your phone directly into the charger's USB port. When the solar panel is fully charged, your phone will charge at the same rate as if it was plugged into the wall. I started Group Hug because I was really frustrated by how hard it was to adopt solar energy in your everyday life. When I started researching solar panels, I realized that the fundamental design of a solar panel hasn't actually changed in over 60 years. It's basically a rectangle slapped on a roof, a pole, a backpack, you name it. There are definitely personal solar devices on the market, but they're designed for people who like camping, fishing, hiking, boating, and I hate all of those things. I studied industrial design at Georgia Tech, and I really love making and building things with my hands. For over 6 years, I led the product design team at Littlebits, a consumer electronics company in New York. I learned everything there is to know about product development. Using renewable energy doesn't have to be hard. This is just the beginning for Group Hug. By supporting us, we can create a lifestyle where it's effortless to take your devices off the grid without sacrificing design.